Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the goals for the steps on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application, and once the devices are paired together we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch, and one side note is that you need to be logged in into an account. Once you are logged in the account, you can tap on the activities right here. Then tap on the more options in the top right corner, and here you can tap on stats. And right here, as you can see, we have calories, steps, moving. We can tap on steps, and we can change the goal for the steps by swiping up and down on the screen. Once you're done, you can tap OK to confirm, and as you can see, the step goal changed. We can go back now, and if we go to our watch, open the activities and steps, you will see that the goal is 9,000 now, so it updated. Okay, and that's how you change the goal for the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.